Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can make the collage of your all photos and how we can edit our photos. So when I will click on the collage, then I will select the photos, then I will click on the next. You can on the one time you can collage the 16 pictures. Okay, we can take the any type of collage. In this way, if you want to collage, so we can change the size as well and we can collage. Okay guys, if you want to take the templates, so we can take the templates. We can easily make the template of these pictures you are seeing here, and where the yellow icon is not coming, this is free of cost. Okay guys, and as well as we can do the edit of our photo. So we'll click on photo, then photo will come, we can crop, and as well as we can frame the photo. Any frame we can do, and there are so many options which we can do by here: background, filter, adjust, text, music, and mirrors, and so many apps here are the coming. So we can paint by here. Okay guys, and we can do the mirror as well of two photos in this way. So this is very amazing to use. 3D we can make. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first like and subscribe and save the picture from here. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. You will get the link by the description.